I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. We are developing a very beautiful playlist on implicit differentiation for AP Calculus. Anybody who is interested can explore more videos in that playlist. We need to find dy dx of cos x plus y equals to x. So let's do the derivative with respect to x. So we'll do differentiation of the given equation, which is cos of x plus y equal to x on both the sides. Derivative of cos x, is minus sine x. So we get minus sine x in this case is x plus y. And then now we need to differentiate inside terms. So the dx of x plus y. On the right hand side, we get 1. Derivative of x is 1. So simplifying this, we get sine of x plus y. And the derivative of x plus y is 1 plus dy dx. Now from here, we can isolate and get what dy dx is. You see that? So that's the beauty of implicit differentiation. So we can write this as 1 plus dy dx equal to minus 1 over sine of x plus y. Taking away 1, we get dy dx equals to. So you could write this as minus cosecant x plus y, and that becomes minus 1, and that becomes the derivative of the given function. So I hope it is absolutely clear how we do it. Follow us on our playlist. In case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Thank you and all the best.